YouTube, bringing you guys my last bike check. So, in the front, I still have kink lattice bar ends, duo Corey Martinez grips, which I need new ones, I have holes in them. Kink Solus bars, 8.65 rise, 28 width, really nice. Profile acoustic stem, kink taco frame. I have kink foundation forks, painted my forks and bars black. Shadow Raptor hub, listed G Sport birdcage rim. Tree light sprocket, profile cranks, jet painted black. One JCPC and one Trailmix pedal, still got good new ones. Demolition DFAT seat, pretty tore up, my friend's old one. Shadow Raptor hub, lights 2, and Odyssey hazard light. KMC chain, and I just got my brakes all Odyssey set up. Odyssey trigger lever, Odyssey upper cable, Odyssey gyro, the GTX one, it's like $50 or something like that. The Odyssey dual lower cables with an Odyssey Evo 2. And I'm guessing a lot of you want to hear the hub sound because it's loud, and I kind of think it's louder than profile, so here you go. So yeah, now it's time to go ride.